Chief Justice Luke Malaba, a figure whose tenure has been steeped in legal and political controversy, is reportedly refusing to go on leave pending his retirement. Newsday has heard that Malaba, who reaches the mandatory retirement age of 75 in May, was expected to commence his pre-retirement leave earlier this month, but he has instead chosen to remain in office until his term officially expires. Sabira Mashkobranyi Gwachin's Chief Justice Luke Malaba refuses to go on leave as Mugabe, boss Rita Makarau is set to succeed him. Subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipinda Panapam now and Rabira Chiti. Malaba presided over the 2026 legal year official opening in Harare on Monday, a function that sources say Supreme Court Judge Justice Rita Makarau was slated to oversee as his likely successor. Sources closer to the Chief Justice suggest that Malaba is aware that commencing his leave would effectively signal the end of his term in office. As his second retirement approaches, the political stakes remain high. The ruling ZVAITWA party is reportedly pushing for yet another constitutional amendment, this time to extend President Mnangagwa's second and final term from 2028 to 2030. Any such amendment is almost certain to face legal challenges, and the matter would ultimately land before the Constitutional Court, potentially placing Malaba in a decisive position over its legality should he still be in office. The scenario fuels fear among some lawyers that ZANU-PF might again manipulate constitutional provisions, perhaps by removing the age cap for judges, although thereby allowing Malaba to remain indefinitely. Amidst this uncertainty, there are indications that Chief Justice Malaba is quietly preparing for his exit. Should things go south, Zim Life understands that he has approached the Judicial Service Commission seeking working space in Bulawayo, which insiders have tellingly referred to as the Office of the Retired Chief Justice. He has also reportedly undertaken renovations at his home in Kumalo suburb, actions that some interpret as an acceptance that his tenure is indeed coming to an end. The JSC, however, has declined the comment on the Chief Justice's retirement plans. Traditionally, a retiring Chief Justice uses official opening of the legal year to signal the departure and bid farewell to the procession. Malaba notably did not do so in 2023, a move interpreted by many as reflecting prior knowledge of efforts to extend his tenure. Furthermore, senior lawyers observe that it is customary for a Chief Justice not to assign themselves new matters in their final year, a practice that will be closely watched as Malaba's second retirement date draws nearer. Chief Justice Luke Malaba's impending second retirement marks a pivotal moment for Zimbabwe's judiciary. His tenure has been characterized by landmark rulings and constitutional battles that have profoundly shaped the country's legal and political landscape. While his supporters commend his firm leadership, critics argue that his actions have undermined judicial independence and the rule of law. As the legal profession and the nation at large await his final exit signals, the focus remains on the future of Zimbabwe's judiciary and its ability to uphold justice impartially, free from political influence. The legacy of Chief Justice Malaba will undoubtedly be debated for years to come, serving as the critical chapter in Zimbabwe's ongoing constitutional journey. Doma developments anobuda panguva ino ayo achipakurwa aiwa nevatapoina wabinda kuma section medu dzamafunguro imo tukudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, tinoona the bell icon.